The best natural drink to straighten and help rebuild cartilage and ligaments. As we age, our body becomes prone to new aches and pains. Most people tend to endure the pain instead of asking medical advice, which in turn leads to worsening of symptoms and greater pain. So, keeping the joints strong will help us to feel strong and radiant. Factors that may be contributing to your knee pain. Even though joint pain occurs as a result of aging, it can indicate some serious problems. Many people suffering from this type of pain just don't ask for a medical advice, which can further lead to more serious problems. Osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is the most common type of arthritis. Even though it can occur in any part of the body, it usually affects the joints in the hands, hips, spine, and knee. People suffering from knee pain should consult their doctor to find out if their pain is caused by osteoarthritis, which is typically related to aging. Injury. When there is an injury in some part of your body, especially around your joints, there are high chances that the pain symptoms continue even after the period of healing. Post-traumatic arthritis is a condition that affects nearly 5.6 million Americans. It is a form of arthritis which occurs as a result of a joint injury. Vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D is a nutrient essential for the good condition of your bones. It keeps your bones and teeth hard, by maintaining blood calcium levels and regulating calcium and phosphorus. Vitamin D deficiency can cause weak muscles and brittle bones. Other symptoms include tooth decay, bone pain, and tenderness, fractured hip and pelvis, and even hearing loss. No matter what the root cause of your pain is, gelatin is one magic ingredient that will reduce your pain and strengthen the cartilage around your joints. Gelatin can be used as a strength builder. If you didn't know why Jell-O is included in almost every meal in hospital, then you probably do not know that gelatin, one of its main ingredients, provides many health benefits. Gelatin is made from the boiling of animal bones, skin, and cartilage to extract the collagen, a fibrous material that connects skin, bones, and muscle in animals. Once it is processed, it becomes gelatin. It is made up of 98 to 99% protein and it is high in amino acids. It provides numerous medicinal properties. It can improve bone and joint pain, and it is especially beneficial for people who want to strengthen the cartilage around the joints. You can find gelatin in the form of pill or powder. Different types of powder: gelatin and collagen. Gelatin powder, this is most commonly used in recipes. It is available in flavored and unflavored variety. Collagen powder, this type is used for mixing into hot and cold drinks. It is easy to mix, so it can be used for cooking or as a supplement. Marine collagen is similar to collagen powder. However, it is made from the skin, bones, and cartilage of marine animals. It is recommended for those who want to avoid beef or pork. It is extremely important to buy the highest quality gelatin brand. Be very careful with the country it is being sourced from. Closer to home is best. Where it is being sourced, the animals should be grass-fed and free-range. The quality of the pasture, don't choose pastures that are treated with chemicals and pesticides. Natural drink recipe to rebuild cartilage and strengthen joints. If you suffer from joint pain, you should consult your doctor in order to find out if your pain occurs as a result of some primary medical problem, like osteoarthritis. Regardless of the factor that is causing your pain, including gelatin into your diet will rebuild cartilage and strengthen your body. Fortunately, there is an easy way to obtain the maximum benefits of gelatin. Check out this natural drink recipe. Needed ingredients: 1 cup of oatmeal, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 2 teaspoons of unflavored gelatin powder, 1 cup of natural orange juice, avoid using orange juice with added sugars, 8 ounces of crushed almonds, 1 teaspoon of organic honey, 8 ounces of water. This makes 2 servings. Directions: Boil the oatmeal for 10 minutes. Let it cool, then add the orange juice, almonds, cinnamon powder, unflavored gelatin powder and honey. Mix in a blender until you get a smooth mixture. Drink the first glass in the morning, then store in a sealed container in the fridge. Drink the second glass after lunch. Do this for 15 days. Storage. Store your drink in a sealed container in your fridge. Before drinking it, make sure to shake the mixture.